Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 7.8. If you look at the first subdivision, it's the integral of x squared e power x dx. So this is of the form integral of u dv. So we are going to use the formula uv minus integral v du. So let's identify the u here. So u here is going to be equal to x squared. So du is equal to 2x dx. So dv is going to be equal to e power x dx. So v is the integral of e power x dx, which is equal to e power x. Now let's substitute in the formula. So it is x squared e power x minus integral of e power x into 2x dx. So I'm going to take the 2 outside. So this is x squared e power x minus 2 into integral x e power x dx. Again, it is of the form u dv. So we will find out once more the u and v. Only thing I'm naming them as u1. So u1 is equal to x, du1 is equal to dx. So dv1 is going to be e power x dx, which means v1 is integral of e power x dx, which is e power x. Now let's substitute in this formula. So this becomes x squared e power x minus 2 into, now uv, so this is going to be x e power x minus integral v du. So this is e power x dx. So if you expand and integrate, it is x squared e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2. After integration also, this is e power x plus c. We can simply take out the e power x outside. So this is x squared minus 2x plus 2 into e power x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So let's identify u. U is going to be x squared. So in this case, du is equal to 2x dx. The same as in the first subdivision. Now dv is going to be e power 3x dx, which means v is equal to integral e power 3x dx, which is e power 3x divided by 3. Now let's substitute in this particular formula. So it is x squared e power 3x by 3 minus integral of e power 3x by 3 into 2x dx. So this 2 by 3 I can take outside. So it is x squared e power 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 integral x e power 3x dx. Again, this integration is of this particular form. So let's identify the u1 and d1. So u1 is going to be equal to x. So du1 is going to be equal to dx. dv1 is going to be e power 3x dx, which means v1 is integral e power 3x dx, which is e power 3x by 3. So now let's substitute. So this is going to be x squared e power 3x by 3 minus 2 by 3 into uv. So it is going to be x e power 3x by 3 minus integral v du. So e power 3x by 3 dx. So I'm going to multiply every term by 2 by 3 and perform the integration. So this is x squared e power 3x by 3 minus 2 by 9x e power 3x plus 2 by, there is already a 3 into 3. So this is 2 by 9 integral e power 3x dx. Now the last part we will perform the integration. So this is x squared e power 3x by 3 minus 2 by 9 x e power 3x plus 2 by 9 into 3 will be 27 e power 3x plus c. We can take the e power 3x outside. So e power 3x into x squared by 3 minus 2 by 9 x plus 2 by 27 plus c. You can take it on LCM and then bring the 27 outside. That's also fine, or you can just leave your answer like this. In the next video, we will find the solution to the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.